Hello friends, hope you all are fine and welcome to our Your Awesome channel. Today we are going to share a short video. In this video we are going to talk about the difference between rich and wealthy. So our question is, do you want to be a rich or do you want to be wealthy? There is a saying that rich have lots of money but wealthy don't worry about their money. So let's understand the difference between rich and wealthy. We will share 5 major differences between them. Difference number 1. The first simple difference between a rich person and a wealthy person is that a wealthy person has sustainable wealth, which means money will flow despite change in the circumstance. In other words, a wealthy person will always be wealthy, whereas someone who is merely rich will only be so for a short period of time until the money is gone. Difference number 2. Rich people like to show off their new car, gadgets, and mobiles, and like to throw lavish parties. They spend 70% of what they earn, whereas wealthy people like to invest 60% of what they are earning and earn more income from that. Difference number 3. Rich people invest in liabilities, whereas wealthy people acquire assets, shares, bonds, create company to become wealthier. Liabilities are those through which you lose money. Assets are those through which you generate income. For example, having a rented house is asset. Having an e-commerce website which generates income is an asset. Purchasing high-end mobiles to show off and just to play games is a liability, unless you install some apps like trading apps to generate income. This is one major difference between rich and wealthy. Difference number 4. Rich people work for the system, whereas wealthy people own those systems. For example, if you are a manager in XYZ company and earning rupees 10 lakh per year, certainly looks like a lot of income, but still you are rich. Whereas the owner of those companies are wealthy because they own those systems and will be earning their income even if they don't work every day. Difference number 5. One of the biggest difference between rich and wealthy people are wealthy people can decide their work. They can decide when and how to spend their time, whereas most rich people cannot decide as how they can spend their time, and it takes lots of time to reach this stage. First, to reach this stage, you need to build a system. Hope you have liked today's video and understood the topic well. If you have any question related to the topic, you can comment below. Thanks for your support and love, and always remember, you're awesome!